Alright guys, how's it going? I haven't done a broad stock market video because I was all booked up last weekend. I had to go out of town to see some family, which was awesome. And so I'm back. It's a late video, but I am here. My goal for these videos, I highly encourage you guys to check out my Canadian and US MJ reviews. I try to put those out on a daily basis. And of course, I try to add value to you guys, whether it's through an added different perspective through trading, seeing what I look at when I look at trades, some brief technical analysis, whatever it may be. Hopefully it helps you in making your money. So S&P, I'm surprised. We had just a crazy V-shaped recovery, breaking these resistances set all the way back here last year, and now really the major resistance is the all-time high, which is not far away. I'm not putting it out there. Bulls are buying these dips. It is very clear. But, I am always cautious. I'm always protective, and I always have levels where I will sell. So, that being said, always have a plan. So, the S&P is looking good. I will say that, looking very good. And all-time highs are coming up. So next order of business, I really want to talk about, and I hate to say it because I hated when everyone was trading Bitcoin, but guys, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Logged in and checked it this morning, first thing at work, and I was like, wow, this is a big deal because we've seen Litecoin change the weekly trend. And guys, I watched Dan from the Chart Guys about a little over a year and a half ago, I guess, when the Canadian MJ sector was just starting to heat up. And I remember he had a video like previous months that stated the weekly trend change in CGC, which was a different ticker back then. But the point being, after that weekly trend change to a weekly uptrend, we saw months of upside. So the fact that Bitcoin has cooled down, right? It's been consolidating for over a year, and we just saw a weekly trend change. This is very important. I will be establishing positions. I do like how I watched his video. He put out a crypto video today, and he said he's going to be entering in on weekly consolidation, which I think is ideal. I did get the impulse to transfer some money over and buy some of this, but weekly consolidation is ideal, right? So here we have the low, right? The all-time low from this consolidation. Have a brief little pip up. We actually established a higher low on the weekly, and then boom, higher high with strength. That is a nice candle. So, daily time frame. I'm not going to, hone on this too long, but I just want to point out crypto it's showing some signs of life. So I will be probably entering in this space on some consolidation. Okay, we are going to be jumping to Facebook real quick. Going to try to go through these tickers quickly. Wow, yep, Facebook's looking good. A lot of these stocks are looking good. S&P is looking good. Therefore, most of these stocks are going to be looking good. Facebook, just zooming right back up to this resistance level. Yeah, that looks good. If we can, and we already did break it, but if we can see more continuation tomorrow, Facebook just made another leg up. And yeah, it looks good. We were in this daily downtrend for a long time, and I highlighted it when we made the daily trend change, and we've seen nothing but upside since. AAPL, Apple. Same thing, very strong uptrend in Apple. And again, we did have this very severe daily downtrend when the S&P was tanking, followed by a trend change on the daily, and same thing. It's been up ever since. Very nice. AMZN, Amazon. Wow. And Amazon's doing very well also. Kind of I wouldn't want to call this an equilibrium, but maybe a bull flag on the daily time frame, right? Kind of extended. Now we're seeing some more upside. Probably going to have to break 1823. I've said it before, I don't really like Amazon for short-term trading purposes, but longer term, if you zoom out to the weekly, it does look a little bit better if you're a long-term investor. So this looks like a very good weekly chart. Hate to say it, but it looks okay. What was it? Oh, Netflix and FLX. What is Netflix doing? V-shaped recovery. Trading sideways, trying to go up. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. We had such a massive bounce back, and it's just been trading slightly up and sideways. I would rather be playing Facebook or Apple personally, but yeah, I'd keep an eye on this weekly resistance level here at about 386-ish, 387. See if we can break above that. Okay, let's look at oil. USOIL. Oil, what is going on? Wow. Oh man, oil's been killing it. Oh, okay, let's look at UWT. I had a UWT position. I want to see if it went to 20. Yep. Guys, I said it over a month ago. This was going to go to 20. I said it. Again, nothing is 100%, but I felt very confident because of the extreme selling pressure that oil has seen that we would see nice upside. I was right. I would have made, I can't remember when I got in, like 12, 13. I would have made a lot of money. But coulda, shoulda, woulda, that play, I am not playing it now. So congrats to anyone who played that out. Oh, man. Oh, good play. Okay, let's do gold. Don't really like it on the daily time frame. Let's check out the monthly. Monthly is what I would be looking at for gold, right? So we have, monthly consolidation, right? We're kind of at a monthly equilibrium. So here's the high, here's the low, right? Lower high, kind of double top, higher low, lower high. So we're getting very tight. I would keep an eye on the monthly time frame. And again, Bitcoin, we already talked about that. Oil, I don't really like covering natural gas, to be honest, but oil has just been freaking killing it. Let's look at this one more time. Again, monthly looks like just like a bounce on the monthly time frame. Yeah, oil has been doing very well, and I'm pissed I didn't hold that position, but hey, it's okay. Congrats to the oil bulls. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just want to do a quick recap on the couple of the big names. Overall stock market, S&P does seem to be looking good. And again, if you guys do want to subscribe to the channel, please do so. I do daily videos on the MJ space, is where I kind of focus most of my time and where I specialize and where I make the most money. Again, weekly time frame perspective of the S&P, we are very close to all-time highs. So thanks for checking in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.